You want to come over here? Yes. Yeah, good boy. Good crawling. Good crawling, yes. Good baby. You're moving right along. What's that? What's that? Is that your good big green ball? Mama's sitting on it, isn't she? Yeah. It's hard to move. It's hard to move when Mama's sitting on it. Funny baby. You're funny. You're funny. You can't move it with your hands or your head, huh? What are you gonna do now? What you gonna do? You wanna eat it? All right. How about this? How about we send this video to your Aunt Liz and your Uncle Sean? How about that? That's Mama's foot. Funny.